So as an affiliate marketer, I'm always looking for the best offers that I can promote to the right audience. But finding the offers is very, very difficult. Fortunately, I found a really great list of offers that I can promote. And this list does not require a ClickBank account. It does not require a Max Bounty account. It does not require any kind of affiliate marketing network account because we can go directly to the merchant. And so here I have a list. This is 44 of the best affiliate programs that pay the highest commission. And so here's the list. We can scroll down. This is a really cool list. We have this list, and I'm going to have this link as well for you guys. And this is a great list. The only issue with this list is not very easily to kind of parse it and make use of it. Okay, and so I found another list. I found an even better list of different affiliate programs that we can promote. The only question is, what do we do now? How do we actually go out and promote the right programs? What is the method of promoting them? And so in this video, I'm going to be doing just that. I'm going to show you one of the simplest methods. You're going to be amazed how simple it is to go out and to promote highly qualified affiliate marketing programs to the people that need them the most. And so in this method, we're not going to be using a website. We're not going to be building a landing page. We're not going to be going out and getting a hosting account. We're not going to be paying for anything because I'm going to be showing you free tools that you can take advantage of it in a very, very simple workflow that you can essentially go out and promote extremely in-demand affiliate marketing programs to the people who are looking to start a business. And so the first thing that you have to do is you have to find the list. Fortunately, I have found these lists for you. We have the first list here, and this is the second list here. Now, this is a great list because it's a table. It's going to be very, very easy to parse. Somebody essentially went out and did the research. They found this list. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive, engaging experience of promoting these programs. Instead of just looking at them like a list, we can essentially promote them in a very interesting and unique way. And so make sure you follow the instructions carefully here. Make sure you watch this video very, very carefully because this is a brand new method. Nobody has ever talked about it, and it's using 100% free tools, okay? And so you're going to go to the site called aftable.com. And the next thing you want to do is you want to install this plugin from the Chrome Web Store. And this is called Copy Tables. And this is one of my favorite plugins. I use a bunch of different Chrome plugins. And this plugin allows you to manipulate data tables that you see on all these websites. So if you go to this table here, and even before you go to this table, once you install this plugin, it's completely free. You will need to refresh this site. And once you refresh it, and then what you want to do is you want to copy as text. You want to copy as text. Next, you want to go to a site called Airtable. Airtable is an amazing site. I like to view it as essentially Google Sheets on steroids because there's a lot of things that you can do in it that you can't really do in Google Sheets, okay? And so they have a very, very generous free plan. You do not have to pay for it. I'm on the free plan right now, and it absolutely suits me. You're going to click this Add a Base button. You're going to click it. So you're going to sign up. You're going to see the screen. You're going to click this plus button here. You're going to import data, and you're going to paste table data. And once you do that, you're going to press Command V, and you're going to see all this data. And what's beautiful about this plugin, Copy Tables, is it formatted it for us perfectly. We are going to specify that the first row is a header. We have 99 rows and 11 columns. We're going to click Import Pasted Data, and it's going to go out and it's going to create a new base. We're going to call this Affiliate Programs. I'm just going to shorten it, AF Programs, click Enter. We're going to click on this, and lo and behold, we have this amazing list that we found on the internet in our Airtable database. And this is amazing because there's so many things that we can do with it, okay? And so the first thing you have to understand is this isn't just a list. It's a list by categories. And so there's a lot of good stuff. There's 99 programs in here. and they're sorted by categories. There's categories. So for instance, maybe somebody, somebody that's, starting a new business, maybe they're looking to register a domain. So we can promote to them Namecheap, GoDaddy, domain, name silo. Or maybe they want to promote, maybe they want to sign up for hosting. In that case, we're going to promote to them Bluehost, DreamHost, SiteGround, etc., etc. Now, this list is targeted at affiliate marketers, just like you and me. But we are going to be showing this list to entrepreneurs, to people that are looking to start a business. So we need to modify it a little bit. We are going to keep name. We're going to keep category. We are going to remove these columns here. We are going to remove these columns here. We're going to remove all of these columns and delete here. And now what we have is the name of the affiliate program, the category, which is super, super important. All right, so now that we have a list of affiliate offers here, nicely formatted, the next step is you want to think about the offers you want to promote. Because, for instance, we have Namecheap, we have GoDaddy domain. All of them have affiliate links. So if you want, you can go back to the original website and you can click on Learn More, and you're going to be redirected to their affiliate program. Now, I'm a member of a lot of these affiliate programs, and so it's not going to be an issue to sign up for these affiliate programs. The benefit is that you do not need a ClickBank account and you do not need a Max Bounty account. And the other thing is that you do not need to go out and to sign up for these affiliate programs. And so you can sign up for just a few of them. That is absolutely fine. And so the next thing that you want to do, you want to create a new view. And so I'm going to create a few views. Okay, I'm going to create the first view, and I'm going to call this view domain. Okay, because in this view, we are only going to be showing domains that they can sign up. And so I have a domain view. I'm going to click on filter here. I'm going to add a filter where name is equal to, actually no, category is equal to is, and we are going to type domain. Okay, now we have the first view. I'm going to create another view. So if we go back to our main view, we have hosting, email marketing, e-commerce. I'm going to create a few views, and then you will understand what I'm trying to do, and you can go out and create more views if you want. So I'm going to create a couple of views. You will see why I'm doing it. This is very, very important. So I'm going to call this view hosting, and this view is going to have a filter. Add filter, we're going to put where category is hosting. We're going to do that. And once we do that, now we kind of have a mini web page. Okay, that's the way you want to think about it. We have this one page that displays everything, and then we have a mini web page that displays just the domain and then just the hosting. Let me create another view. I'm going to create email marketing view. And so I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on this plus. I'm going to call this email marketing. Okay, and then we are going to filter by where category is email marketing. Email marketing. Okay, and now we have three views. Obviously, there's a lot more categories. We have e-commerce, design, forum, customer support. There's all of these tools that you can promote. You have a lot of options. That's the beauty of this method. But I'm only going to create three views. You can create as many views or as little views as you want. But I recommend creating at least 3 views or more. I do not recommend creating one view or 2 views. I recommend creating at least 3 views, okay? So now that you have this, the next thing that you can do is you can click on the view here, and you can click on share view, and you can create a shareable grid view link. You're going to click on this, and we have a link. We have a URL that we can give to the user, and this is read-only. Okay, this is read-only. Remember, you will need to replace learn more by the URL, by the actual link. So you will need to click on this. You will customize field type. You're going to scroll down. You're going to choose URL, and that's going to be your affiliate link here. This learn more is going to be your affiliate links for each of the offers. Okay, so you're going to click on each individual view, in this case domain. We're going to click on share view, and we're going to have this link. Now you want to copy it. You want to double click on this, and you want to copy it. And you want to copy the shareable links for each of the views and save them for now. I'm going to show you exactly why that is important. So I'm going to create a new editor here, and I'm going to copy this is the domain view. I'm just going to save it here. I'm going to go to hosting. I'm going to click on share view, share this. And I will disable this allow users to copy data. They don't really need to copy data. That's fine. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it in my notepad here. This is for hosting. And then I have email marketing. I'm just going to call it email. I'm going to go in here, share view, create a shareable link, disable this, copy this. And now we have essentially 3 separate web pages that display very, very specific data without actually going out and using a web page builder and actually creating these web pages. This is very, very powerful, okay? This is a big chunk of the method right here, but we're not done yet. I'm going to show you a unique way where we can ask the user certain questions, and depending on what they answer, depending on what they're doing, what their problems are, we can show them one of these specific pages in a very, very clever way, okay? And so once you have this done, remember guys, I recommend at least 3 views. You can have as many as you want, but at least 3 views is great. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go to this tool called Paperform Co. This is an amazing builder for forms. It's very, very flexible. It can do things that no other builders can do, and they have a generous free plan that you can get started right now, okay? So once you sign up for your free account here, you're gonna have different forms that you can do, and you can start with a template. I have here a template that I started with, and I deleted a lot of this content. I can modify this. And so if you go, once you sign up for this tool, you're gonna have a screen that looks something like this. It's gonna ask you if you want to create a blank form or you want to create something from a template. You can pick from a template, and your form is gonna look something like this. It's gonna have some stuff here. It's gonna have some text, and I already changed things around just to get started to save some time. So I will write something here. Sign up for these great services here. Get your customized service, new business services, okay? And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to ask this visitor questions about their business, about what they're trying to do. And then based on the results, we are going to redirect them to the right view that's going to display the specific offers that they need. This is a genius method. And let me show you exactly how it's done. You want to follow my directions. Obviously, you can ask more questions if you want, but you want to follow what I'm trying to do here, okay? And so you can customize this headline. You can customize the subheadline as well. You can type something like, tell us about your business, and we'll tell you great, and we'll show you amazing deals. As simple as that. Now, I have one question here. Obviously, I can go out and create more questions. So let's create a couple of questions, and then I will show you how to customize the response that the user will get once they answer the specific questions. There's no other tool that does this so easily. So let's ask a couple of simple questions. What is your name? What is your name? We can ask, and this is going to be a text. Okay, they can answer some text. Then we can have something like, what is your email? What is your best email? And I'm gonna select email here, and we have an email. And then this is a really cool feature of this tool. Where do you live? What is your country, or where are you based? And then we can and so they actually have a field called country, and you will see that actually displays a list of countries that no other tool does this. Okay, now we have 3 general questions. The next question is very important. We're going to click on this duplicate. And so now that we have 3 regular questions, this is going to be the most important question. And this question is going to ask, tell us what kind of services, which services are you looking? And so this is the question we're going to be asking them. What kind of deals are you looking for? Now, this is very, very important to do, because the question we are going to be asking is going to be a multiple choice, okay? And the options are going to be very, very unique. And so The options, we want them to pick various options. So for instance, and so we are giving them some special instructions. We're telling them, please select the right secret key using the table below. So if they need domain tools, they're going to pick this key. If they need hosting services, they're going to pick this key. If they need email services, they're going to pick this key. And then based on the key that they're entering, we are going to redirect them to the right view where they can claim their offer. So let me show you how this is done. We're going to click on configure this question, and we are going to enter these three options here. So we're going to enter this, we are going to enter this, and we are going to enter this. This is important. This is the way you want to do it. And let's take a look. Multiple choice. It is, required. You can put required. Can choose more than one answer. No, only one answer. Include. Okay, this is absolutely fine. We have all of these options, and that is all we have to do. Now, you can click on this view button and you can preview this form. Take a look at this form. Okay, take a look how amazing it is. What is your name? What is your best email? Where are you based? And so this is how it's going to look like, the main tools, and they can choose it based on the secret key. Now, we are not done just yet. We need to go into after submission. And what we need to do is we need to go success pages and redirects. And here we are going to redirect them to Airtable / the name of the key that they entered. So we're going to click this plus sign here, and we are going to choose this field here. We're not going to choose any of these other fields. What kind of deals? We're going to choose this field, and it's going to enter a token that's going to be automatically filled in depending on their response. So let me show you exactly how this works. So it's already saved. I save changes. Everything is done. Let's preview this form. Let's take a look at it. Let's open this form in a preview here, and let's take it and let me show you exactly how this works. And so here's our form. I'm just going to enter a bunch of data. Where am I based? So remember, this was the country field, and this is why it's an amazing field. Take a look at this. All the countries. So I'm going to put United States here. And here is where I'm going to pick. So the main tool, hosting services. And this is really cool because we're giving them a secret key that's only unique for them. And we're kind of qualifying them. So it adds a little bit of motivation for them to finish this form and actually start using the affiliate offers. So let's say I want the main tools. I'm going to pick this option. I'm going to click submit, and it's going to redirect them to our domain tools. Look at this. And now we have the main tools here, all done without building a web page, without building anything. And these are going to be your affiliate links. Let's try again. Let's try another option so I can show you exactly how this works. So let's say I type, James at james.com. I am based, let's say I type United Kingdom just for fun. And let's say this time I want email services. So I'm going to pick this. I'm going to click submit. Submission successful. It redirects me to our email marketing view. And remember, guys, you can create as many views as you want. I only have 3 specific views. You can create as many views as you want. And then you can create more options in this form. So you can go into the design and you can create more options. Right now, we only have 3 options. Later on, once you get the special key, you can add more views and you can customize it without creating a website, without doing anything. This is probably one of the easiest methods here, and it's one of the most effective methods out there. And so this way, you are qualifying the user, you're asking them various questions, and you're giving them a secret key. And look at this one. You can even modify. You can write something like this. We cannot display the actual offer. Please enter the secret key using the table below. And this makes it more interesting because we need to redirect them to the right view using these keys. And if you have more views, you can enter more of these secret keys in this table that we created using the exact instructions that I talked about previously in this video. And this way you can enter more questions. Look at this one. You can duplicate it. You can click split to split it from the group, and you can create a new question. You can configure it. And then remember, guys, we're still collecting our leads. So after submissions, we're gonna have all of these emails here. You can do a lot of interesting things. There's integration, success pages. This is a very, very powerful method. And when we combine it with the stuff that I talked about, you can create a really quick system without designing a website, just using the existing tools, all right? So I really, really hope you've gotten value from this method. I really hope you've learned something, and I really, really hope you're gonna put it into good use using the tools that I described here. And so let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment box below. I would love to help you out if I can. Like this video, comment on this video if you've gotten any value, if you learned something new. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This channel is all about affiliate marketing and CPA marketing 24/7, every day, all day, using very, very unique methods where you don't need a website or a landing page or a hosting account or anything like that. And so once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.